Today I'll show you how to add this viral effect onto your captions in Premiere Pro, just like music media. This is a really quick and easy guide, and all you have to do is follow my steps. So first off, let's create our subtitles automatically. Switch to the Captions graphics interface, click on Create Captions from Transcript. Music media's captions are snappy and fast, so make sure to lower the maximum characters per caption, and also lower the maximum duration, set it to single lines, and click on Create Captions. Alright, now that we got that out of the way, select your caption layers and put them in the middle. Size them up a little bit and change their font to Poppins Bold. Now select them again and head over to the Graphics and Titles menu. Click on Upgrade Caption to Graphic. Great, now we can apply the different effects and animations onto them. The first thing we'll focus on is the color aspect. Music media's captions are colorful, hypnotic, let's just say that. So to replicate them, select your layers, hold Alt or Option, and drag them upwards to duplicate them. Select each of your top captions and give each one of them a unique color of your choice. I'm speeding this up to not make it boring, but if you're struggling a bit, or if this is too quick for you, feel free to rewind back at any point in time and comment your questions below. Anyways, let's add a fade effect to some of the captions between the colors. So select one of the layers that you have, go to the Effects panel, and keyframe the opacity setting. Go to the end and change the value to 0. Now select the opacity setting and right-click it. Click Copy, and while holding Shift, select random layers that you want to apply the effect onto, and hold Ctrl or Command V to paste them. Okay, now let's add the color shift animation. Select any random caption, and in the effect controls, for the starting point, keyframe the source text. Select the last few letters and change their colors to white. Move a few frames forward, activate the eyedropper tool, and click on the same color. Now select the first part of your word and set its color to white. This is how it should look like. You can do the same thing to other random layers, but for the snap-in animation, search for directional blur in the effects panel. Make sure you're on the starting frame, hit the stopwatch of the blur length and set the value to 30. Move forward 3 frames and reset the value back to 0. To quickly apply this onto all of the other layers, right-click the directional blur setting, click Copy. Now select the other text layers and hit Ctrl V or Command V. Now let's add some subtle wobbling effect. Select the layers again and right-click them. Click on Nest, select this new layer and go to the Effect Controls panel. Keyframe the precision setting for the starting frame, then move 20 frames forward on the timeline and change the precision slightly. Move 20 more frames and now change the Y or X position. Move 20 more frames, again, and change the position again and again. And you can copy these keyframes after doing one full lap with Ctrl C, move 20 frames forward, and then paste them with Ctrl V. And what we're gonna add next is we're gonna add a soft glow effect. Duplicate the nested sequence by holding Alt and dragging it upwards. Search for Gaussian blur in the effects panel and apply it to the bottom nested sequence. And all you have to do next is increase the blurriness a bit. To save you time and effort, I'll drop all of the presets for free if this video gets 2000 likes.